That DOTX file is a Microsoft Word Open XML template, a reusable foundation of layouts, styles, and formatting that streamlines document creation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, edit, or deploy these Word template files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized DOTX file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. DOTX files are Microsoft Word template files in the Open XML format, storing page layouts, paragraph styles, character formatting, headers, footers, and boilerplate content. They serve as starting points for creating consistently formatted new documents across organizations. DOTX files use the Office Open XML standard as a zip package containing XML parts for document content, style settings, and relationships. They differ from DOCX by including template-specific properties that control new document creation, behavior, and style inheritance. You will typically find Microsoft Word developed by Microsoft Corporation associated with DOTX. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows displays plain content, but full editing workflows require a supporting application. Your first step towards full access: right-click the DOTX file and select Open With. If Microsoft Word is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your DOTX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The specificity of the DOTX format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, creating from template. Double-click a DOTX file to create a new document based on the template. Word opens a new untitled document with all template styles, formatting, and boilerplate content applied. Save the new document as DOCX to preserve your content separately from the template. Next, editing the template. Right-click the DOTX file and select Open to edit the template itself, rather than creating a new document from it. Modify styles, page layouts, headers, and default content, then save. All future documents based on this template will inherit the updated formatting. Finally, deploying organization templates. Copy DOTX files to the Custom Office Templates folder or deploy them via group policy to a shared network location. Configure the template path in Word under File, then Options, then Save, then Default. Personal Templates location for organization-wide access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.